Food dollar management takes some time and planning, but you and your family can enjoy nutritious, balanced meals and snacks on a budget. There are 3 main steps to eating healthy and saving money on food. Step 1. Plan before you shop. Planning helps avoid last-minute grocery trips and impulse buys. Use My Plate as a guide to make sure fruit, vegetables, low-fat dairy, lean protein, and whole grains are on your grocery list. Step 2. Buy food items at the best price. You can use grocery store ads to take advantage of sales and in-season produce. Locate the unit price on the shelf directly below the product. Use it to compare different brands and different sizes of the same brand to determine which is more economical. Step 3. Be strategic with your meals and snacks. Cook large batches of food ahead of time, portion it out, and freeze the leftovers. Then use them in new ways. Do you have leftover baked chicken? Add some veggies and make a stir fry. Let's make something healthy and affordable. This chocolate chip yogurt cookie recipe makes 36 cookies at $1.86 per batch. Before we start cooking anything, we must wash our hands. These are the ingredients that you will need to make this recipe. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, combine sugar, brown sugar, and margarine. Beat until light and fluffy. Add yogurt and vanilla and mix until well blended. Next, add in the baking soda and both types of flour. Mix until well blended. Stir in the chocolate chips. Drop dough by rounded teaspoonfuls 2 inches apart onto ungreased cookie sheet. Bake at 375 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Remove from oven and let cool for 1 minute. Then enjoy your healthy cookies! The LSU AgCenter offers SNAP-Ed Nutrition Education Program. For more information on SNAP-Ed programs near you, contact Jessica Randazzo with the LSU AgCenter in St. Mary and St. Martin parishes.